Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, do you like my setup? This is like my normal background, like my normal house. I normally have fancy backdrops, but whatever, we are working with that today. Okay, so do you like my little cute hair? Oh my god, it feels so cute. My curly hair. I never film with my curly hair. There you go, there's a preview. Cute, right? Okay, so this video is going to be about cleaning your makeup brushes, okay? You don't need that fancy schmancy expensive makeup cleaner. You don't. I've got a little bit of a cheat for you. But before I tell you what that is, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me that thumbs up and a comment in the comment section below. Do you use the same thing, something else? Let me know. Share it with us all. And also please follow me on my social media at MissyASTB_ on Instagram, MissyASTB on Twitter. Links in the description box below. Okay, into the video. Okay, so to make this mix to really cleanse your makeup brushes, where I got this from is actually my sister. My sister is a makeup artist. You actually only need 3 household items to clean your makeup brushes, and you're probably thinking, where did you hear this from? I actually heard this from my sister. My sister is a makeup artist. This is what she does, and yeah, so this is what I'm going to tell you. This is what we're going to do today. Okay, so you only need 3 household items. Those 3 household items are olive oil and fairy liquid or washing up liquid, and then also a little bit of Dettol or antibacterial liquid. Okay, so the reason why we've got the antibacterial liquid is, of course, it goes without saying, it kills the bacteria, especially for my girls and guys with acne out there. We need to get that bacteria off. Okay, so here you can see I've got the end of a makeup brush and I'm mixing the mixture together to get one uniform colour. If you do suffer from acne, you can add maybe another teaspoon of Dettol, but don't overdo it because you don't want to make a harsh mixture, but at least you are killing the bacteria on your brushes. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to dip your brushes into a little bit of water, then into the soapy mixture, and then start scrubbing it, and then you can rinse off the colour and then start the process again, as you can see here, and then let it marinate with a bit of soap on it on the side. That helps kill the bacteria as well. Lets the Dettol do its job too. Okay, so do that with all of your brushes. And what's really good about the scrubber, it really does get things clear, and then you just literally don't stop scrubbing the brush until it is crystal clear. That way you know your brush is nice and clean. So as you can see here, obviously eyebrow brushes, you use them a lot, and I use quite a dark colour, and you can see all of the colour is completely off the brush. And I forgot to mention, get a towel and dry your brushes vertically, because by drying them vertically the water goes straight down rather than sitting in the glue, and if it does sit in the glue your brushes will die earlier. So don't do that. Please dry them vertically and just rotate them every now and then so they're not basically bending in specific ways. So the next one is beauty sponges. What's important about these are a little bit different from brushes, as the foundation can seep quite deep in. So the trick is just to keep washing and scrubbing until you can't see any foundation concealer marks. Don't leave anything on there because it will grow into bacteria and you don't want that. Okay, so with this as well, the soap can get trapped in and then the makeup sponge doesn't keep its original shape. That means there's soap inside, so just run it under water until the soap comes out. This is one of those velvet makeup sponges, so the soap really does get trapped inside, so it's really important to really run the water through until it is squeaky clean and empty of soap. So when drying your brushes vertically, do give them a wipe on the towel as well, ensuring they dry quicker. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget, comment section below, thumbs up, you know the dealio, subscribe, and the social media, follow me on there. And I really hope you learn how to clean your brushes without the expensiveness of it all. Okay, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.